Thank you. Thank you, man. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, Luke Wright. Luke Wright is back. So what you're going to learn today is how to remove the rear wheel from a BMW R NineT of all years. Here at Luke Wright, as far as Luke Wright is aware, this applies to all BMW R NineTs from the early models to the current model at the moment. So let's see how to remove that rear wheel.
It's showtime.
So I'ma light it up just like a cigarette smoke till it's in my head, take it all away. Yeah, I'ma light it up just like a cigarette smoke till it's in my head, take the pain away. Let it burn, let it burn, let it burn.
We're using a long extension so that as the torque bolts are undone, the rear wheel, the ratchet is not whacking into the titanium acrylic system. Put the rear wheel onto, say, a cover like this, just to make it feel nice and safe, that the paint on the wheel is not being scratched onto the floor, or anything like that. Yeah, the only thing holding the R NineT in is this paddock stand. Well, thank you for watching, everybody at Luke Wright, and yeah, pretty interesting, really. Pretty interesting. Removing the rear wheel is scary when you can only do that. You can use a paddock stand, which is good, so it's really good to see you can just use a paddock stand. You can also use an other stand, but if you use a rear paddock stand, really recommend that you don't save money and buy yourself a cheaper paddock stand. You really should buy a quality paddock stand that has no flex, no give in it, because you've got to understand you'll be taking the rear wheel off. At that point, the only thing holding your yummy BMW R NineT, your retro, classic, super naked, going back to how super naked used to be, that paddock stand is the only thing taking all that weight. So you don't want there to be any risks. You don't want the paddock stand to wobble, and you want to know that the R NineT is secure in place, because without that paddock stand, your R NineT is going down, and you're going to damage the head on the cylinders and probably damage the tank and do a lot of damage. So quality is better than saving money when it comes to paddock stands. So keep that in mind. And yeah, you've learned today how to remove the rear wheel,
The way we.
The little rascal has spirit. As was it?
This is the end of the trail for me.
Thank you.
Thank you, kid.
And so we need to, of course, drink the coffee, don't we? Right. Classic signature.